Today, we're making Valentine's Day hearts. Come join me.
You may have noticed my teacher, Miss Woof, has already outlined the heart for me. Ask your teacher or grown-up to help you outline a heart, just like this, before we begin. Here's what you'll need. Paper, of course, kid-friendly scissors, crayons and markers, glitter, glue, and your favorite Valentine stickers.
If you've got all your supplies together, good job! Ready, let's go!
Let's cut out our heart shapes. Please ask your teacher or grown-up for help to use your kid scissors for this part. Try your best to follow the dotted line. Now, pick out your favorite crayon color. Mine is red, so I'm gonna use red. Let's outline our hearts with the color we chose. Let's go!
Now, let's color in our hearts. Let's go! Good job! Now, let's grab our glue. On this step, we're gonna outline our hearts around the edges. Like this.
Don't worry if you got a little glue on your hands or if it's not perfectly around the edges of your heart. It's okay. Trust me, you're doing great.
Let's grab our glitter. On this step, we're gonna sprinkle our glitter around the edge of the glue line. Like this.
The glitter is so sparkly! Wow, look at this stuff! Oh, and please be careful, this glitter is not edible. Please! Do not eat this stuff. It's pretty, but it can make us sick.
It's sticker time! This is one of my favorite parts. Friends, get your stickers out and let's get stickin'! I love this part because this is where your creativity shines. It doesn't matter where you stick them, friends. It's all up to you. Just have fun.
We're almost done, friends. Look how amazing our hearts look so far.
Pretty awesome, right? Now, last step, friends. Think about who you made this beautiful heart for. Whether it's for your grown-up or a special friend, it's time to put their name on it. I made this heart for my grandma. Who did you make your heart for? Since this is for my grandma, I'll put GRANDMA right here. Now, grab your glitter and sprinkle it all over your special person's name. Like this. Now, give it a shake and dust off the glitter like this.
Wow! Look how beautiful it is!
This step is super important. We have to let it dry, friends, for at least an hour. Wow! We're finally done! Now, it's time to give it to our special person. Let's go! I'm headed to my grandma's house.
Well, hello, honey bunch. What are you doing here?
Hi, Grandma. You're my Valentine, so I made this special heart for you. Here you go. Thank you, honey bunch. This means the world to me. My little Valentine. How precious.
I hope Grandma liked it. It came from the heart. Bye, friends!